Two things that are super basic but also super important for testing in C++ are stubs and drivers. It allows you to test individual functions in a program in isolation from the parts of the program that actually call the function. A stub, for example, is a dummy function, and it's called instead of the actual function it represents. So if we look at these two up here, you can see we have an original function. It's not yet implemented, so there's no code inside of this body. Notice how there's no braces behind here, just a semicolon. It's cut off because we've not implemented this function yet. We have a stub implementation. Notice how it has the same return type, it has the same name, it has the same parameter. It's the same exact method, however, it actually has something in the body. So you can return a predefined value for testing purposes. And why is this helpful? Well, if you have a huge method and you want to just test a specific part, this is great because you can pass in a specific number and test a specific part of that method. It's for testing individual parts. That's what a stub is. It's minimal implementation of the function that it's representing, and it's used to simulate the behavior of actual implementation. They're only a temporary replacement for the missing or incomplete functionality, allowing us to test the module or function that's under development. It could be simple or very, very big, just depending on what you want to test. Now, for drivers, it's similar to a stub. However, it will call a lower level module that hasn't been implemented yet. It allows us to test lower level components by simulating the call environment of our higher level module. And what this means, high, low level module, and same level module is the following. These are on the same level because it's like the same thing. This int main is a higher level module than our calculate square because it calls calculate square. And so this call is the driver. It's going to test what this is returning. So we have int result and it's storing this right here. Now this might not be exactly what we want, but we're testing the return of a specific part. So this would be the lower level to this higher level. Again, stub is just testing the equivalent of the method, and driver is essentially testing what it's calling, the lower level based on the higher level part. That's it for stubs and drivers. If you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments below. Good luck on your studies. Check out more C+ videos in the playlist below the like button.